function f is given by f of theta equals a -2 cosine theta. What are all the values of theta for theta is between 0, including 0, and 2 pi, but not including that, where f of theta equals -1. So basically, f of theta is this, f of theta is that, set them equal to each other. -2 cos theta, I don't need the parentheses there, equals -1. Well, let's solve for theta. In order to do that, we have to get rid of -2 by doing the inverse operation, divide -2, divide -2. Cosine theta equals -1 over -2, positive 1 over 2. And if you're like, sir, Mr. Goat, sir, why did you leave all that space right there? Well, I have to get theta all by itself. And the only way to get theta all by itself is get rid of cosine by inverse cosine both sides. So inverse cosine both sides allows you to cross out the cosine, and now theta equals the inverse cosine of 1 over 2. Now, what does that mean? Well, if you're thinking unit circle thoughts, and that is a perfect circle, as you can clearly see, if you're thinking unit circle thoughts, cos theta is the x value. So what I want is the x value that gives me a half. So if you're thinking, all right, well, x's are positive on the right side, so it's positive over here, positive over here. If I were thinking unit circle, the x would be root 3 over 2, root 2 over 2, root 1 over 2. So you give me 1/2 over there, and that's pi over 3. The one directly underneath it is going to give me my other positive 1 over 2, and that is 5 pi over 3. So theta is pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Those are my answers, which would be A. Amazing. A. Amazing. So I like to draw the unit circle because for me, I kind of need to have that visual there. It's not necessary if you have stuff memorized, but hey, I have both. So, because I'm a goat or whatever that means. Hope this helps.